Today I am going to tell you how you can remove the access of your Gmail account from unwanted website. So first of all, you need to log into your Gmail account. Just tap on Google Apps and click on account. After that, in the left hand panel you can see there is an option of security. Just tap on this. Scroll down at the bottom. You can see there is an option of your connection to third party apps and services. You can see there are 25 plus more where I have logged in. So click on see all connections. You can see the list of all. You can see Adobe, Animaker, Atenos. You can see Canva. So you can just tap on, like for example I am clicking on copy AI, so I need to just tap on one of them and click on this option, delete all connection you have with copy AI. So just tap on this and click on confirmation. So it will be deleted. You can see you are no longer to connected to copy.ai. It is now disconnected. Now it is 27. So you can disconnect one by one, and whichever you want you can keep it, and otherwise you can disconnect it to other accounts. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.